Okay guys, today I will be showing you how to change the light in your trunk. As you can see, I put a bright white LED in here, and what you're going to want to do is first get a small regular screwdriver, and there's a tab to the side here, and what you want to do is kind of push and then push down at the same time, and then you have it. There it sits. If you want to completely take it out, then you just take the pigtail here, press down on the tab, and then pull down on the light, and there it sits. Now, as you can see, I have a super bright LED in here. It's been in here a while. I may change it out. I get my bulbs for really cheap on eBay from China. China is saving me a lot of money on bulbs. And with these LEDs, when you put it in the socket, sometimes it doesn't light, and that's because it only lights sitting one way in the socket. So if it doesn't light, you just turn it around and it'll be just fine. And on my car, I actually did this so many times that the tab broke off, and this was like $15 OEM. And so just be as gentle as you can with it. And so we're just going to put it back in. Just get it together. Push the tab back in. And then you want to push it back and make sure it's nice and snug, and then just push it right back up in. And it's as simple as that, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel for more information, and have a good one.